Okay. A visit to Cambridge, no?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, students. Keep silence. Voice is clear?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, a video.
My video is paused.
Good morning. Okay. Lesson number 7.
क्या है?
Okay. What is Cambridge? What do you understand by the word Cambridge? Tell me. One day I am giving you some explanation now. Cambridge, what I have told you, what is Cambridge? Tell. Not school, it is the name of university. Yes, very good. Okay, then this is the story of two disabled person or the disabled or the differently able. They were disabled, but they have made them famous. They have gained lots of name and fame in the world, and they have got a very reputed job also. One became the scientist, very renowned scientist, and another is a journalist. Okay, that is क्या है वो? कांगना, कांगा, फिरदौस कांगा, and scientist is Stephen Hawking. Okay, that Firdaus Kanga went to England and he wanted to visit that Stephen Hawking. He wants to take his interview. He was a journalist, so he finished the meeting half an hour. And when he went to there, then he asked some questions to the scientist. ना क्या कह रहा है? The only thing that makes you strong is seeing somebody like you achieving something huge. Then you know how much is possible and you reach out further than you ever thought you could. In that we have learned. क्या कह रहा है? दोनों डिसेबल है तो एक डिसेबल को कौन क्या चीज ज्यादा सेटिस्फैक्शन देती है? जब वो अपने ही जैसे किसी को देखता है और ये देखता है कि that person has achieved a lot of things in his life. In spite of his disability, he has achieved a higher position in the world, in the society, in the world. And then you come to know that you can achieve lots of things that you could ever suppose. तो कभी तुमने सोचा हो उससे भी ज्यादा तुम्हें मिलता है. ठीक है? I have not been brave. Said his disembodied computer was the next afternoon. ठीक है? But next afternoon, Firdaus Kanga went there and he asked question कि क्या आपको brave बनाता है? कहाँ से आप inspiration लेते हैं? Then that Stephen Hawking gives the answer. He gave the answer, but you know na, he was not able to speak. But in the wheelchair and there is a computer. That computer is speaking language, machine-like language, and he has some buttons on his wheelchair, and he pushes the button, and that computer is on the office. So क्या कह रहा है? I haven't been brave, said his disembodied computer voice. कंप्यूटर डिसइम्बॉडीड क्या कह रहा है कि वो कंप्यूटर वायरस जिसकी कोई बॉडी नहीं है, कोई वो ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं है, दैट इज स्पीक. क्या बोला उसने? व्हाट आर यू राइटिंग? I have not been brave. Huh? I was never brave. I was never brave. I have had no choice, but I don't have choice. नहीं. Surely I wanted to say, living creatively with the reality of his disintegrating body was a choice. I want to say one thing I want to say, living creatively with the reality of his disintegrating body was a choice. Disintegrating means breaking up into small parts. Living creatively with the reality of his disintegrated body was a choice, but I kept quiet because I felt guilty every time I spoke to him. क्या कह रहा है? Living क्या नहीं था, मेरे पास कोई choice नहीं था. I have to live. Disintegrated body means क्या कर जो मेरी body parts में जाती. No, and my part is very proper in my body, and I have to live with this body, and I have to do some creative work with this body. That was only a choice. मुझे अपनी इसी बॉडी के साथ कुछ क्रिएटिव करना है ना. But I kept quiet because I felt guilty every time. I spoke to him, forcing him to respond, but I kept quiet. Now Ganga Firdaus Kanga is saying, I kept quiet. ना मैं क्या हो गया, मैं quiet हो गया. I was quiet because I felt guilty every time. Every time I am feeling guilty. Why? I spoke to him, forcing him to respond. Now, whenever I spoke to him, I felt guilty because I am forcing him to respond. Because he was not able to speak properly. But whenever I am asking the question, that he speaks to me that I am forcing him to give response. Give response means to speak. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं जब भी उनसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ तो मैं फोर्स कर रहा हूँ रिस्पॉन्स देने के लिए, बोलने के लिए. Because of that I am very guilty. There he was at the little switch in his hand. क्या कर रहे हैं वो? उनके हैंड में स्विच है, वो इस स्विच को क्या कर रहे हैं? टैप कर रहे हैं. To give the answer, for giving the answer. There he was tapping at the little switch in his hand, trying to find the words on his computer with the only bit of movement left to. क्या कर रहे हैं वो? He is searching the button in his, कहाँ पे? In his hand, a switch in his hand, trying to find the words, and he is trying to find the words to give the answer. Only bit of movement left to him. अभी उनके पास थोड़ी बहुत मूवमेंट बची हुई है, उस मूवमेंट के थ्रू वो क्या कर रहे हैं? वो उन बटन्स को, उन स्विच को सर्च कर रहे हैं फॉर गिविंग द आंसर. His long pale fingers. Movement left to him is long pale fingers. जो उनकी long pale fingers है, उनमें जो थोड़े बहुत मूवमेंट बचे हुए हैं, उस फिंगर्स के थ्रू वो स्विच को क्या कर रहे हैं? टैप कर रहे हैं और he is giving the answer, giving the response. Every so often his eyes would shut in frustrated exhaustion. Every so often. And every moment क्या हो रही है? उनकी आंखें क्या हो जा रही है? Would shut in frustration and exhaustion. Frustration और exhaustion में जो आंसर देने में जिन्हें तकलीफ हो रही है, जो exhaust हो रहे हैं, frustrate हो रहे हैं, because of that eyes, उनकी आंखें क्या हो जा रही है? बंद हो जा रही है. And sitting opposite to him, I could feel his anguish. And sitting opposite to him, I can feel his anguish. Anguish means उनका जो पेन है, पेन. anguish means severe pain. जो उनकी severe pain है, मैं उसको I can feel his pain. I am sitting in front of him and I can also feel his pain. The mind buoyant thoughts that came out in frozen phrases and sentences is still as corpse. क्या कह रहे हैं? The mind buoyant with thought. Buoyant means his mind is full of active and vibrant thoughts, but that somehow is frozen. But they are not able to give his thoughts, to express his thoughts and proper sentences. It's based out in a frozen phrases. Phrases क्या होते हैं? Incomplete phrases की तरह आ रहे हैं. And sentences is as called dead body. डेड बॉडी से कोई फ्रेजेस और सेंटेंसेस निकल रहे हैं. उसकी जो माइंड है उसमें बहुत सारे एक्टिव थॉट्स हैं, बहुत सारे वाइब्रेंट थॉट्स हैं, बहुत सारे यूजफुल थॉट्स हैं, बट ही इज नॉट एबल टू स्पीक प्रॉपर्ली. तो इट लाइक अ प्रोसेस. जैसे कोई टुकड़े टुकड़े में आंसर निकल के आ रहे हैं, थॉट्स निकल के आ रहे हैं, कोई डेड बॉडी है वो हमें कुछ सेंटेंस दे रही है, कुछ फ्रेजेस दे रही है, कुछ थॉट्स दे रही है। A lot of people seem to think that disabled people are chronically and unhappy. A lot of people. Now, people, in my opinion, people think that जो disabled people होते हैं, disabled people, वो क्या होते हैं? Extremely unhappy होते हैं. वो unhappy होते हैं because of their disability. They are not able to do a proper work. They are not able to live a proper life, so they are very unhappy. I said I know that is not true myself, but I say it is not true for myself. मेरे लिए ये true नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि मैं unhappy नहीं हूँ. Are you often laughing? Are you laughing inside? About 3 minutes later, he responded. तो फिर उसने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा कि क्या आप अपने अंदर अंदर हंसते हैं, अक्सर हंसते रहते हैं? अबाउट patronizingly people to suggest that they are मुझे वो बहुत हास्यास्पद लगता है, वेरी रेडिकुलर, जब पीपल मुझे क्या इंफीरियर मुझे नॉर्मल पीपल है, जब वो मुझे इंफीरियर समझते हैं तो मुझे क्या लगता है? मुझे ये बहुत ही रेडिकुलर लगता है. ठीक है. And do you find when people like me come and discuss to introvert? ठीक है. तो क्या मेरे दर्द आपको you that I was one of the most beautiful men in the world. The person says that he is my I walk without being or that I was looking at one of the most beautiful men in the world. Yeah, that I see the most beautiful man in the world, and I am sitting in front of him, and I am looking at. So you all revise problem in next explanation. You all revise the explanation I have given you. Revise. After 2 minutes again, I will give you next para explanation. Okay. Aditi. Where is your book? Because यहाँ पे जबरदस्त है. शादनाज. Any problem? Any problem, beta? Revise it fast. Okay, come to the next para. A first glimpse of him is shocking. If anybody takes his first glimpse, then it is very shocking. क्या है? It is very fearful. Shocking है, fearful है. Because he is like a still photograph. Still photograph. कैसे लिखते हैं वो? जैसे लगता है कि कोई photograph हो. ना, because there is no movement in his body. ठीक है? As if all those pictures of him in magazine and newspaper have turned three-dimensional. ऐसा लगता है as if, ऐसा लगता है मानो जो भी उनकी न्यूज़पेपर में पिक्स वगैरह आती हैं, whatever pics and photographs of him we are watching in the newspaper, they are turned into 3D dimensional. 3-dimensional. इसे वो 3-dimensional में turned हो गई. ठीक है? Then you see the head twist sideways into a slump. क्या है उनका slump means decline greatly. जो उनका head है वो एक साइड क्या है? ट्विस्ट है ना, डिक्लाइन है एक साइड पर. ऐसा उनका जो it is declined one side. Okay, and let's you look into a slump. The torso shrunk inside the pale blue shirt. और जो torso, torso means upper part of the body and torso shrunk inside the pale blue shirt. Torso means जो उनकी upper body है वो कैसी लग रही है, जैसे उस शर्ट में वो डूब गई है, जो पेल शर्ट है. Means he is so thin, he is so thin कि वो शर्ट में पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि कोई बॉडी भी है. ठीक है, कैसी है, पेल ब्लू शर्ट. The wasted legs, you look at his eyes which can speak. हाँ, और उसके लेग्स ऐसे लग रहे हैं, उनके लेग्स ऐसे लग रहे हैं जैसे वेस्ट है, किसी काम के नहीं. और फिर क्या कह रहे हैं, you look at his eyes which can speak. और जब उनकी आप you can see in his eyes is like that he wants to say something. If you look in his eyes, that you will feel that his eyes will speak something. Still, and they are saying something. But you are shaken because you have seen something you never thought could be seen. But you are shaken because, but आप क्या होंगे, आप shaken होंगे, शिविर होंगे, थोड़ा सा शेक होंगे उनके पेरेंट्स को देख के, शिविर होंगे, because you have seen something you never thought could be seen. Because you have seen such thing that you never thought you could see. कि कभी तुम आपने नहीं सोचा होगा कि आप किसी ऐसे पर्सन को देखेंगे या मिलेंगे, या किसी पर्सन की पर्सनालिटी ऐसी हो सकती है. ठीक है, बिकॉज उनका जो फिजिकल अपीयरेंस है वो बहुत ही फियरफुल है ना. उनकी बॉडी का जो डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया कि बिल्कुल ही लेग्स उनके बेकार है, उनका हेड है जो वन साइड डिक्लाइन है, एंड जो उनकी अपर टॉर्सो, अपर बॉडी है वो इतनी थिन है कि जैसे लग रहा है कि शर्ट में डूब गई हो ना. तो जो उनका अपीयरेंस है वो देख के आप एक बार शॉक हो जाएंगे. तो इतने बड़े साइंटिस्ट हैं जिनका इतना नेम एंड फेम है, जिन्होंने इतनी अच्छी पोजीशन गेन की है वर्ल्ड में, उनका अपीयरेंस ऐसा, इतनी डिसेबिलिटी होने के बावजूद भी वो इतने फेमस है. Before you like a lantern whose walls are gone so thin you glimpse only the light inside. Before you, after watching him, you can imagine before you like a lantern. He is like a, अब उनको किससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, लैंटर्न से. लैंटर्न यू नो क्या, व्हाट, लैम्प, जो लालटेन कहते हो ना इन हिंदी, तो किससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, लैंटर्न से. Whose walls are worn so thin, जिसकी वॉल क्या है, बहुत ही खराब हो चुकी है, डिफेक्टिव हो गई है, फट गई है, थिन हो गई है, पतली हो गई है. You glimpse only the light inside. You can see the light inside. ना, आपको वो जो लैम्प है जिसकी वॉल्स एकदम खराब हो चुकी हैं, एकदम डिफेक्टिव हो गई है, फट गई है, मगर उसके अंदर आपको क्या दिख रहा है, उसकी लाइट. इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है उस लैम्प की, लाइट. तो सिमिलरली जो बॉडी हम देख रहे हैं साइंटिस्ट का, वो एकदम क्या है, यूजलेस है, वेस्ट है, बट उनके अंदर की एबिलिटी क्या मायने रखती है, इनसाइड एबिलिटी ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट इज द इनकैंडिसेंस ऑफ द मैन. वो क्या होता है, जो इनसाइड एबिलिटी होती है वो क्या होता है, वो मैन का इनर ग्लो होता है, मैन की इनर ब्यूटी होती है. Incandescence means inner glow or light. The body almost irrelevant believer in eternal soul. Sorry, the body almost irrelevant exists only like a case made of shadows. Body क्या है, एक केस की तरह है जो किससे बनी है, शैडो से बनी है ना. The body almost irrelevant. Body क्या है, irrelevant है, exists only like a case made of shadows, so that I know believer in internal source. Internal source, so that I know believer in the eternal source, know that this is what each of us is, everything else and accessory. Okay, so we should have to see the inner beauty of a person, not the outer beauty of the person. हाँ, तो क्या मायने रखता है? What is important? Inner glow, inner beauty, not the outer glow and outer body. Okay, this is your whole. This is next explanation we will see in next class. Till that you revise it. Okay, your time is over. Bye. Take care.